Hello everyone, welcome to yet another DIY video. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn 5 DIYs with the help of air dry clay. So let's start with all the 5 projects. Also, if you try any of the project, then do tag me on Instagram so that I can share your creativity with all. Today, for all the projects I have used air dry clay from Fevicryl, but if you want you can use any clay which is available with you. This clay comes with a resin base and hardener. And you have to mix both the parts. I'm using a bit of talcum powder to ease the process of mixing them together. Let's start with the first project, which is the stamped clay dish. Here I'm rolling the clay with the help of any deodorant bottle. Here I'm using some stamps that I have to give an impression. I'm using ink to stamp on the clay. This way I'm going to make a continuous pattern. Now with the help of a round lid, we are going to cut the shape. I have used a bowl to give this a shape of a platter. Now coloring the rim of the dish with golden color. You can use same impression technique to make incense holder with a leaf. Let's start with the second DIY. This is also a clay dish that we have made, but we have used a different technique in this. Here also I have used a steel bowl to make a mold for our dish. We are going to sand it with the help of a sandpaper. Then I'm going to color it with the help of a chalk paint. I'm going to cover the whole part, outside and inside. Here I'm using black acrylic color to make some random designs. I'm here drawing a flower. You can use any design which you like. And you don't have to be perfect in this. This is all we are making for ourselves. And these are the simple DIYs that don't require any kind of expertise also. Now let's make a clay necklace. For this particular DIY, you need to follow the instructions that I'm showing on the screen. Now the clay is all dried up, so I'm using a black acrylic color to make a base. The base is ready now. I'm going to attach a tassel and a dory to it. Here I have used the air dry clay to make owls. You just have to make the shape and let them dry. Here I am painting the owl's body. I have made two owls, one big and one small. I had this frame with me already. What I'm doing here is I'm creating a night scene. So on a black background, I'm going to put little bit of dark blue color. Putting some white splatters to create that blue and black sky full of stars. and we're going to make a moon also. I have taken a dried branch here to fix it on the frame, and upon this I am going to fix both the owls. Here I have pasted a pick. You can use your own pick and just stick that.